Okay, hey, 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 hey. Bonjour, Nish Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, I'm Natasha, by the way, and the boys are here, Michael Lyons and Nana BOOZHOO. And so, today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, boys?
I don't know.
What's the name of the song?
Nothing to do with you.
Nothing to do with you. Well, let's do that. Today's Ojibwe word of the day, nothing. Gaawiin Gegoo. Gaawiin Gegoo. Nothing. It's the same word for nothing as is zero. So, Gaawiin Gegoo. Nothing. And the song is, what's the song called again?
Nothing to do with you.
All right. Nothing to do with you. Take it away, boys.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
Oh, wow, not bad, huh?
Yeah, nice singing, Natasha.
Oh, thank you. All right. Well, hey, I just want to say Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Michael and Not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hawa. All right, you guys want to do another one?